Flax seeds full with nutrients naturally, rich in omega 3 fats, dietary fiber, and protein. Use of flax seeds control cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Flaxseed powder. Dry roast flaxseed in pan for 5 minutes on low flame. Let it cool down. Make fine powder in mixer. Keep in airtight jar. Store in fridge. Use this powder within 15 days, then make new as your requirement. Chronic cough. Before bed, take 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder with water. Chronic cough goes away. Joints pain. Flax seeds rich in omega 3, very beneficial for bones and joints strength. Use of flax seeds gives relief in inflammation and joints pain. Take 1 teaspoon flax seeds powder in a day with water.